Welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50 Ain't Nothing But a Number, yo. I'm your host, Language Barrel. In the next series of videos, we're going to be bringing you apartments and homes for less than 30,000 euro. They're going to be located in France, Spain, or Italy. Up first is this two-room flat located on Via Cesare. That's 293, and that's in Lecce nei Marsi, Italy. This apartment is listed for 14,999 euros. It's in the hamlet of Valimoro in the National Park of Abruzzo and Molise within the Marsica territory. It's an apartment for sale comprising an entrance hall with built-in wardrobe, kitchenette, bathroom, small tub, washing machine, lounge/bedroom with wall equipped with 3 bunk beds plus a stackable bed system that becomes a double bed. Therefore, there are a total of 5 beds. As well as a fireplace and oak wood plank, the apartment is in good condition and is immediately habitable. It is an ideal place for families with children who want to spend summers or winters at a location which is halfway between Unveil and Pescasserle. It is ideal for lovers of trekking and mountain biking for nature trails leading to La Guardia, the Devil's Refuge, and Lecce Vecchia, Monte Turchio, Ville Vallelongo. A few meters from the house is a deer refuge. They consider this a natural paradise. In the same building, there are 2 other apartments the same size. So if you're ready, let's look at the apartment. The apartment is located on the first floor. It's the 3-floor building. The price again is $14.99. There's a condominium fee of 20 euros per month. This is a picture of the exterior. The unit in question is the middle unit. In Italy, the first floor would be actually the second floor in the US. This is a picture of the dining room. There's a fireplace on the left, air conditioner on the right. Again, a picture of the dining room, kitchen here with the sink and table. These are the 3 bunk beds, which are also situated in the dining room. Again, the fireplace is on the right side. This is another picture of the dining room here. This is the picture on the left is the fireplace, in the middle is the patio. On the right, a bathroom and kitchen. This is the outside view of the surrounding area via the patio. And this is a picture of the sign for the park. There are not a lot of pictures of this particular apartment, and those that are taken are not done very well. This place is, as advertised, it's sold furnished. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Google Maps and take a look at Lecce nei Marsica. Lecce nei Marsi. So that's going to, Lecce nei Marsi is a commune and town in the province of L'Acqua in the Abruzzo region of Italy. It's located near the Fucino Plain in Marsica. So the first thing to do is click on a couple of restaurants just to see what's available in this town. We're going to click on first Trattoria Moderna, see what they got cooking in there. Looks like some cream pasta there. Next, that looks like a tiramisu dish. Some pizza with looks like mozzarella on top of it. Next, we look like some beef cooked in the oven with some arugula and parmigiano with some eggplant and tomatoes. Okay, it looks like some type of burger. All right, let's take a look at another restaurant here. We're going to take a look at Del Cacciatore. See what they got cooking. What they got cooking in Del Cacciatore. Again, that's a pizza. Looks like some kebabs, shish kebabs, pasta and tomato sauce. It looks like a pasta and cream sauce with either prosciutto or some type of chicken. And that looks like ravioli. It could be chicken, could be pine nuts, I'm not sure, but it looks delicious. And some fresh bread. Alright, so now let's go and look at what else is in the town. So in this town, it's a pretty small town. Looks like there is a supermarket here. Supermercado. And what do they got in there? Not a huge supermarket, but it looks like you got a meat meat counter, cheese counter. You get some frozen vegetables, household supplies. You get some fresh fruit in there. Looks like a watermelon. Some vegetables. So this it would be typical of a town this small when you're looking at purchasing a property for, I think, less than $20,000. I think this property this is 14.9, and at that price, you're going to be looking to be in a small town that's probably a little somewhat isolated. So I'm going to pull back on Google Maps and take a look and see. You can see it's probably midway between Rome and Pescara. So let's go back here and let's look at the house specifically and plot out what the distance would be from the house to, say, Rome. And we're going to go Rome International Airport. So you're looking at about an hour and 51 minutes from the airport. Let's see if there's any bus service. There is no bus service from this town to Rome. So you probably would have to get to a bigger town in that region and catch a bus from there. Or you could actually go to Pescara. Let's see. Airport. Okay, and that's going to be an hour and 13 minutes. Let's see if you can do any public transport there. Nope. So you're living in this region, you are going to be required to have a vehicle in order for you to transit to the coast. There are bigger neighboring towns within the area, but to really see that area, you will need a vehicle for this location. So the house is located, actually this is the house located on Google Maps. Looks pretty nice. So as you can see, it's a 3-story house, and the unit in question you're looking at is probably going to be this middle unit. Well, actually it's probably going to be this unit. It's going to be this unit here because there is a ground floor. So the first floor is probably this unit above. Actually, it looks pretty nice. There's not a lot of neighbors in this area. It's a lot of greenery, so if you looking to relocate to this specific area, you better like the outdoors, because this is not going to be city living. This is going to be country living. But at 14.9, and the way this place is configured, this is not a primary residence. This is probably a summer home or a weekend escape to the mountains. Let's take a look and see if there are any ski resorts close to this place. So it looks like the closest ski resort might be about 48 minutes away by car, and that looks like in Ovindoli. Yeah, it looks like the other one would be Roccaraso, and that would be about an hour and 18 minutes away by car. So again, when you're looking to relocate to these areas in Italy that have cheap properties, you have to understand that for the most part, you're either going to be looking at a property that is in horrible shape and somebody died and the kids don't want to fix it out, or it's going to be in a somewhat isolated area away from the main area, again, that either the children don't want to move there, relocate to that area, or there's just not enough job opportunities for the locals, and that's why the property is so cheap. But again, if you're looking for a second home, this is probably it. I wouldn't think this would be a good investment because it doesn't look like there's a lot of activity in this area to actually justify this purchase as an investment property. And remember, achieve something different, believe something different, conceive something different, read something different, but most importantly, be something different. The world is waiting. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Ciao for now.